In this episode of Hall Family Recipes, we're going to be doing a barley vegetable soup. And our ingredients are Bob's Red Mill Pearl Barley and some be-prepared mixed vegetables and some be-prepared freeze-dried mushrooms and MRE chunk chicken. So to get started, we put water in our saucepan, and we're going to start the burner, and we got to bring it up to a boil. While we're waiting for that water to boil, we've got a rice sieve, very fine, because we have to rinse the barley according to Bob's instructions. And if you had a regular strainer, it would go through. So this is a special rice strainer that we bought, because when we do our rice, we like it washed. Okay, with our water boiling, we're going to add the barley. And with all these ingredients, we got to get the timing just right because they all cook at different rates. So, what I'm going to do, got to add just a little bit of salt. There we go. I'm going to bring that back up to a boil, and then we're going to cook it for 10 minutes with the cover on. And as you can see, we've got it back up boiling, and we're going to let that run, like I said, for 10 minutes. Then we will add the next ingredient. Alright, it's been 10 minutes, and we'll give that a stir, because this takes 25 to 30 minutes. However, the freeze-dried veg only takes 15, so that goes in, and that doesn't look like much, but it will swell as the liquid gets into it and it rehydrates. So we'll put that back on and we'll wait 15 minutes. Doing this soup is not open up the can and have it in 90 seconds. Now, she who must be obeyed reminded me that I forgot one important ingredient. So we'll take a quick look at this, and you can see how it has thickened up a lot. That little bit of the freeze-dried veg really thickens up. But the item that I forgot was chicken base. Let me get it down here so you can see it. It's chicken base. So I'm going to take a little bit, it doesn't take much, and drop that in. And at the same time, we're getting near the end of the cook, we have freeze-dried mushrooms. I'll put that in. So that won't take hardly any time to hydrate. So we'll just let that go for a couple minutes. Okay. Been a couple minutes. There's our soup. Looks pretty good. I added just a bit more water. The mushrooms really suck it up. I don't want it too dry. So the last thing we got to add is the, get it down here so you can see it, the MRE chunk chicken. So with the package open, I'm going to dump all the chicken and the juice, and you can see it's now empty. And that's only going to take just a couple minutes to warm up. because the chicken's already cooked. So we're 2 minutes out. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, so let's take a quick look here. There is the soup. Thick and hearty, that's the way we like it. So it's got the barley, it's got the freeze-dried veg, it's got freeze-dried mushrooms, a little bit of chicken base, and at the end, the MRE chunk chicken. Now, we eat a lot of the MRE chunk chicken because it makes the best chicken salad sandwiches. Because it's never been canned, only in the retort pouch. So it's better. So there you go. That is the Hall family recipe barley soup.